Hi guys, so my original mirrors, they're not original, they're the ones that I bought a few days ago, a few months ago for this bike. Two, they're not that sturdy, there are too many vibrations and I simply don't like them. So I went on AliExpress again and bought a much more expensive, they're $30 mirrors with carbon back, I don't know if you could see them, and let's install them and see how they fit and how they are. Got silver thread, so yeah, guess it can come out like this. Yep. Amazing skills. And now to install the new ones. So let's feed the cats in the neighborhood first. Here you go, little fella. That's a new kitty. Come on. Actually, the small one ate a few minutes ago, but apparently it's still hungry. This is what comes in the package as fittings, and let's feed them. Well, here's the bike running. Almost no vibrations on the mirrors. I can see clearly. Perfect job. I really like them.